Ukwa. Where? Yeah, maybe you go see use the picture to masturbate. You know, so you be king of masturbation. King of masturbation, you no fiere kia. If you kwe we ya ye lagba no ya masturbate. A picture sa ogwe. I wa ya fiere kia every day. Sa ogwe pa mo ego. Ide we ni oye mi. Kwa lagba kan yo ve na. Be mate like me na we like. Awo ko no bi eni me. E mata ma me wu me la lo we mercy de. U mata ma me we mo pa u la lo. Say you know the la lo mercy you. To the S we na me gbon na there. No what you dey tell me on the other way now. Obviously la lo now you now, but obviously la lo we because a prophet you know. Oh we ga mi na mi o. E ka do here for we. Make your dream see you. May a dream see you. And that can do I got devil we, yellow got devil we, purple, green, white, ya got devil we. Where no my boy money we be ukwa no me bipolar. Do where they swear for children where you born. Where you are messy, no your bad do get quarter that day. Who we are ti da me boy money no be anyway. Eri ga deport ya. Na say they go deport there. Yo, why not fit tell we say where your wife call Canada na 2 years is spent for shelter. Say na 2 years is spent for shelter. Why you not fit tell we as you call the talk Violet, mama call the sleep for parlor. My mama call sleep for parlor. Ijo give egbo. My sister wey senior me have 2 houses in Boston. All the kweni jinye do vi palu we e pale bebo. Well no why you am full room in bo full room. Now this useless man give juju full room. Well wa se ba ni ehua. Ukwa ya wa ehua do sa ogwe ya wa o sa ogwe che be saga sere gbeme because he might see where the saga you are the one that called me and I'm here to answer you. Evi ya fefe no ukwa no via ikpo so no via sometimes you kwaya do over mwetinya. Boy ya fefe no riro wa no mwetinya e ya fi ekegbo e. Iya da fi ekegbe wo wie, iya fi ekegbe wa son, iya fi ekegbe wa rie yore. Won ka ya gbo bo na mi freezer no dene. Ono na ya mi freezer. Ute ya ni te miscarriage o mateti say. Because of your prophet you know. O mateti say. Ute ya say that pikin must to Ukwa. Uraya to the est na tamema no be ba to gebele amaka na do be no Ukwa ibiene no be wo bi me ama wuwe ama we men no saukwe. You cannot do me nothing. When family no win jeme no wa mo bo wa ti e bona o kan zewe popo. My mother is 70. Who say 70? Who say ni je ni se e ti e bo pa yan e ti oba na me e ti o salo ba no rekete. Who say ni Ukwa ovi meje bobo kan point we wa mo ri ye ma na wa si gba si kegbe ke wa mo ye wa o kan point ke na mu we ji useless man. No ya tie PC for us. Na gbo ve mi wa ga yojo wa no wo kan wa latia. E penny ya ve na we ya analyze video hin ya. Mo pa analyze video. E ve ya fefe ni ya guku ve na analyze that video even worse than the way I analyzed it. But when they accept $500 from me, they not tell me say if the way you would analyze with the vessel, this your money we not want to accept. You not accept it. You not accept a souvenir. Do you know how much I spent for a week? Let me calculate it for you. You keep me 160,000. I was the first person to buy their cloth. Tomorrow I will bring the cloth come. I'm gonna assist her when I sew. And in that took money 180,000. Otinya boni say me. Shanopia apparel. On that say 180. In that 500,000 and go ni. In that with 7 years almost 200,000. I spent 1,050,000 for a week. But you say I'm a pauper. When a fake life. A fake life now say 1,050,000 you were home. But still, a video you analyze was paying you people, but we're not again accept. We're begging you to work boy. Because why? I work beku, I'm more monsulele. Then we get a video you analyze him wow. It don't say where the picture in the way souvenir way. I bet I don't want. Me I got more my honor to than ne ita what we assume. Because you know why? I the verse of that person. But you collected money from me while you were still angry. That is why my God will continue to ask you. You can sue what again. I get belle. Your wife come out. You can't analyze video when I do before on our marriage. Or not yet, but now you'll be late in here. Did I come out to reply your wife? No. Because I got ban wobi. Now, I still born. You say Lady Monica do video. Over here now they debunk away. But mama don't call me. Oh. She said no be she buy freezer. You say now me supposed to come back on debunk. Which cannot see mother. Una swan avant. Because you are so pained. Say they go Lady Monica page. Go they watch her video. Probably they see my comments. Oga obalowe. When de Monica una gbere. Una swaro the siki jene. Buena ewu ye neje no ragbon. You think I'll come here and start insulting your mother for what? For what? Then una come to say, now the video when I do, una they beat me for. After collecting my sweat, my hard-earned money. Agbon ri papa. Na ya re ko e o. Una osia una like to end for this social media. Even na maje. Gera re ya ma re bono kwa no. Data re bono pe na serin. Me we keep una quiet, they use my pikin, they dance. Una think say I not get work, I can tell you. Agbon ma yese. E boni ya mugbu e. Wani boy no we say no kan ragbin ya yese. Amu ebugbo ne. We ma kele boni kere. Mo ogbunu yota. Na the cause they work for your body. I animal only very your body. No fake egbu e. Because e hero ike. E here Orike. A video that the whole world analyze. Mama big name, mama big fish. Video where the whole world analyze. Where your wife drive you come out for house, when you can't go stay one of that house, did you not come with video call? We call your room way bed. Where mama na yeah I can't do. And I say which house be this one? A video call ya call you bawe unwenzo wek bokbo. Imana bawe unwime or ze wek bokbo erishado sadia ye no yago. You called me. Uwo mo wane. Uwo wanu yenani about to make comfortable because the woman of the social media because when a blogger but you dey go another city go rent house. More when you say we can we are here. I know don't have a live video where I can't advise you when you leave your wife. If me osagwe Violet, I can't really open my mouth and you say leave your wife. Everything where you can't look for Germany may reach your hand. If me mama no open mouth tell you one day say leave your wife, and you can't put life on my head. What could do the your hair? That deport you where in Nigeria. What fiabo? Umi is up by a kaodo. But I get a mere with time our bonitian will not come back to me. Iyo we saga because you know why of your traditional rule like him. Ever adorable. You say I told you what your video call you wanna mama bed you no love yeshi. And then we are big ba. They be ya lie owa. In our video that you too quick go house. Oh man, you na. My young value eh. Work about you carry you and you got what can of your more your appointment. All those get value eh. All those one in here way. That was what I said. I said moreover, you know when you know ta. Iwe ni awa bungbe we no zo. Or if she don't need to go to Nigeria. Ihe go over why me be no Nigeria na. We have go no Nigeria ya zo. Una ladia uwe pa di mofi we no wane. Ina ewe. Your wife cause that video offend her. Your wife sister for Nigeria not one record the go on na over me. Ona a 13-year-old over me. Did I come out to play the audio? No. Your wife can't insult me. Did I come out to reply? No. Rather, I did apology video. Now we imagine ni na guanjo or offend wa gui or the best sunu iki guanjo. We there you know when you uni mau. You say I talk for your matter, invest you and your wife. I come out, I apologize. But today you are saying, we go keep that video. In work, I word look baby ho. Yeah, I got way back, not by the word work pay. No make an analyze it. Don't delete it. That is if you will be alive to witness it. Go and keep the audio and start analyzing it audio we analyze it no there now. We can analyze it. I don't apologize for that. For even choking matter for husband and wife matter. In our apology video. But every day una keep coming out and say, Anya wa mu wahu. Maybe why you analyze the no whatever wa. Onyo gele mu wahu I no gi. Na that one. That's a analyzer. Ege me na analyze a video ni enoge. Tu we ga alaji asaga ma ni ma gwan yo say. Ni ma do your favor. Owo ka we na asaga my precious Meg. Ona ro yo ni e ne gbe age ya ye. No gi we no ba tu le lu wa there nana. But today now because we don't manage come back pretending coming back now. Then we start to analyze only mama na mama on. Agagele me mo pa analyze a video huwa. Ahuwa ma yekuwa ma o. Mo pa no a blogger analyze a video wa video. But wa we enime la, ame wa ne mo la. But wa e ti gbe me. Wa me no so me kan zuwa popo kan zuwa dikin. Na so e go be for now. Ukwa what's another say mota? Video where you do to we make a plan. You wait there here, we not know what's in the happen. I want plan to you. Open your ear, make you listen. As Ukwa one where they call itself but what's another say mota? Take care for call we made the saga me saga man when I born for. More than listen, yo, I got the person.
Hello. Don't know. I'm going. Okay. When you are a very young summer. Ukwa no unza. They may not solve that because I team a two way. Because on IT bleach your bleaching partner. You are a very handsome man. When that's when you are government. If you quit boy, Ukwa, you not for born a we age mate. We is 33 years. If you quit born, you not a boy a we age mate. Are you not 49 years this August? When I tell you are very handsome man. My brother like a brother way. But men only 39. But we are him or we are mimi. Me no bolo why it be shopping mall for over 200 million. When I go via me mehi. No matter but what is ye re ro wine. When I got the gwek bagbene ukwa ufo. Don't be more. You just carry yourself. For you to carry photo call away, you belittled yourself. You belittled yourself. You feel that me you can't belittle. And that's okay. And that's that girl, the name Mosia. Mosia. In the process of you belittling me, una muakpane gbona mufua. Una muakpane gbo, you collect your self-dignity ukwa. But most of the mota. Una mufua, you sold your dignity for peanuts to ewi. Ubi osadaye where you go they call. Small boy. Ukwa no ho one no gwan song bue. Una ya atie we. Have I not warned you before that you stop calling blogger? That when you call it, they are going to record you. Mokpa wa nene record device your phone in. I don't need it. I don't need it. Also, I'm saga when I'm audio when I mokpa mula da working because he go record on one. Everywhere. Here I call you where you were your open mouth. Bago when you wild whitey. You go start to they talk. We, you are very handsome man. One handsome because if he bleach, because if he carry goat be a beer. Now be the handsomeness where you see. Because of your bleaching partner. See your leg now. We not. Make sure say your sister test is there. Say, make sure say she share this video because if video they ask you make a vera the Canada. No friend married man no mighty berry. No more bugbe where TB 54 years of Bana Ereko Eroto, Ibaya Gre, Bowa, what time I will wear. Woman, time who wear the test here beer, no work book boy. But what time I will wear the test here beer, who wear book boy. And yet, walk your fear and your one, a bonue or bugbe. All your family, whom we are 7 1 with Buaz Egbe, a bazanze. A stupid person, you can't go. Another year, and a stupid girl now so I go tell where about Ukwa was when we were stupid now because they were man stupid. Where they for call a blogger? Now you could be the most stupid person when me don't see for this planet Earth. Ukwa, Ikpe osa no via se moto no Ukwa wan real van. Nu deva who are past glory. Again na te the musician which musician they use your name they sing now? I compare. And we not tie party where you have don't tie. Only we are part 4. E no se ona mo we no man ya do tie ya vai where ya da. Ya we part 4 we pa ma tu do e kime part 5. Ya va we ya ga tie ya mo ebo gbe yo do na gele ta ma me te ti gele zeba we no mo wa ko beba. Ada me yo na pa di sekenu je. Dan. One more 6 months if you send me Ukwa. You not a big keep calculation. J-boy was 7 months when I kicked you out of my house. Make gwikere e mama na this pikin dey shark you. Ya fi ele back oni. Eruga atamamia. Nika lo zie gbe ka lo fi ele back oni ni ha. Omo ni se touchlight igwalo. Nika zie gbe nu ka bon ele back oni ni ha. Bipolar patient. Then na where we bipolar ga worry we. Ukwa. Your pain is real and me ita if you me na so yeah amano sa joue no iwa won me bi mina idegbe ye time away. I left you 2015. Una ga solele ya una ri owe ram una ya feel osisi. Anybody wey care to know about to say you don't go do marriage oh. That marriage you must spoil her. Uma ogele spoil marriage. How me and you take come back? Not be your wife, Messi. Your bad don't come they beg me to come back to you. Your so-called wife, where born 4 children for you. Was she not the one you were sending to his hotel to come and beg me to come back to you? He got bawe na gbo man. He mana bawe agbon je gbe ma wo kwa. You make people believe that I was the one that ran to you. Ukwa, no Ukwa who? Where people carry life put for my head said anyway marriage na to lo ye kewe. Why you not come and come debunk where egelo sa de osa gbe we marriage me wa ko eku o office yen. Where egbe lady o ma so no ati gba me go ko the egbe boyfriend. No do tell me when you were not even in town as at that time. My we mother egbe bere egbe oti my boy na return a boy na return a bride price in my kid will come back in December. I return a bride price after 6 months. Eh my way ya make be. Did you come out and tell the public where that story people are saying is fake oh again na ma we gbe we oni well lads ya but in my ya we gbe. You know we saga talking no. Where they announced me, the day when they put money for you, why you not come across this thing allow? I was not even in town when she do marriage, you didn't lay a town because the disgrace will be too much. Why you not come out to Ukwa or Deva Hua? But Emana Yari and in social media, in a Yahweh, be Ukwa, your pain is everlasting. You know why? Because I can never come back to you. I can never come back to you. I am now officially Mrs. Ahere. Ovigwebe. No bebo. Mrs. Ahere. Officially. I not post and not me say I be Percy baby mama. There are some things you keep as a secret. Because my husband is not like social media. But he tell me say what will make you happy is what you are not. Woman bitter. Okay, Mr. Ahere. Not be woman bitter. Me I have one self, baby. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Let's kneel down. Let's pray. A prayer. But so say we get prayer. He's always praying and fasting. When he go there on trance for 3 days, he not go eat, he not go drink water. But me a very we are soon. Wa Deva wa me boy asiwa. Wa we who wa me boy agbe kan we prophet. Ni je be kenata mu wa we enye ba lo aya wa o wa afian we no wa afian wo na see there too blishy partner me ma yen no ri ojo we blisha wa go woman agbo ma hu keke ne. Make sure see your sister share this video because na she the head dey share saga video. So una dey here obi no bie na okeke na ye ni go Ukwa we na ga o agbon. Then they withdraw a saga with him now. Where go you work women? Where get Kenina Sono da Ohiane? If I know now, fight your money me kokonu we. What are you supposed to do? You will be mad where they watch me now because you are a woman all day. Also listen. Once you call, unaga omagbon. Are you not supposed to say, hey we? I'm not supposed to call you for this matter because I know say me and this woman not dey again, but I want beg you. Leave her, she newborn. If woman newborn, how you gagbe? No your mind what she dey do, I beg. Because of my pikin way they anything will happen to her and I go affect my pikin. Or money na ga mo be me ade Nigeria na yet gba ore. La wo. Ukwa, if you talk like that, you go die. Una ta ve don la wo next saga no do mo omo no lera re ni go gba ore. You go die. And I mean when I was to no worst. Na ya gwa no bia ni bia na ye na drag e. He dey pay you. Wherefore? I get call for money no verse. If they pay you, and that pay will be everlasting. Okay, me wanna gbere ni gbe o. Okay, me wanna gbere ni gbe ederi. Okay, me wanna gbere ni gbe o. Ederi. Okay, me wanna gbere ni gbe ederi. Okay, me wanna gbere ni gbe ederi. Ukwa. When Mercy dey your house before she enter Canada, what you dey tell me? Uwu ara lórí ekere, e una egu lórí eko wan. Uwo wo no bi enu e, uwo fatigbe, uwe ku e, o ere ku eje, uwu ke do to wo pamu, to we no pamu, uke do gwa leke nu eje, do yo bodo gwa weke nu eje, uwe de hian. Uwo ri me no ro we awa tere mu re na, awa gba. Oh, se yari Nigeria ke ma we na yiro. Igba re de ese we ya o re. Tule mu pa office le wa di o wa kon fuck abeg kon na. Because why? And why? You not tell me. Say, if you dey fuck Mercy, you need to think about me before you dey release. Ukwa, you not tell me. Say, any woman when you dey sleep with, if you not think about me or go, you not dey release. If you not tell me, come out, come let us put. Woman tama me very away. Waga ove, wa think about me. Ni ma we ya se gbe ya Ukwa. La ja do fe boy do me ye picture me masturbate because you are the king of masturbation. Come out, I come out lay course on it. Because cut war like social media where every now and violent itana or zebane, you might time I de where yaga where okono big bane me ka we mo ene do matter mame. Because you ga amogun we hinania. Okbano veboy. The so called the we nedia whether you go call ewi. You say you not call. Because you might get we record the way. Una mwe bog bejo, uwe ya call it that small boy. Ya make me record in ban and we at your bonne we ban ya ya izaga. Una sien begbua, una so amwe po begbo e what we. Because you didn't know that we recorded you. Ukwa. Ha! But why ti wa ho wa veriana? But why ti wa could did o day your hair veriana? Now you just feel useless like this Ukwa. But Mosa. Ha! Your mother will be turning her grave now, shaking her head. Your mother will be shaking her head now, turning her grave away. Again, I have biwa with romance. Your brother now Tarzan waku. Sayene waku. Miss, only with my money and constantly. Now, this your sister wait back. Begin there with what you are saying. Iya gada. Umwe aze una you pokpo agbe with that office where your senior sister of 60 something year you just stick beaten for front of your office you guys bawe mo ebogbe yo e testi no ho who an Canada no friend no le married man who were work categorically tamame we here be who were no fear for ne ti tomorrow testi one mo ere ko eroto unugba no e we IVF e must stay but today e testi ga in Nigeria what do I stage a center of a problem over. When I did Nigeria February that day, my way not jam make the office when after when you to honest you know the big bang. Am I the cause of your problem? Your brother will because of your problem. Not be your best friend, testing no who are the Canada, no friend they married Marian. Okay, they set off a problem where was je, where Matty where in da or two no water we where no wet beer. Now you are 54, Mama Yere. Now they talk to me. Then he may was je na nya ibie na we be no woman. Oh, when I be the 30 men, I'm a mother. Do you know what it means? No more Mickey. So that is why we are different. Say, you got born for 2 men. You too good. Now I go born for 3 men. Now you go. Oh, when I be the 30 men, I have children. That is what is important. Ama biaya o yorun o. Efe giga ya jomo o. Uhu giga ya jomo. Abien odigbe. O masera ma bie. Oba oho. Saloba na ti me na. Ime mona agbe ye poster. Ime mona omwe kengbe me wetesi. Azuo. Are Canada. No agwa de kanasa guy mana manu atinya. Uke no snubana. Otweta ide na wo fie he na wo ime period. Dezuo. No azuo lele Messi. No vie ka igba 18 years. No azuo lele Ukwa. May you not go fair a dog ban away. Because who wear the man or so open ya punish you. Still in our life, useless family. So anybody will go say, come on, can the saga picky papa? And you not hear from me. You not see when Ukwa, when the useless Ukwa first talk at his April say, he go call saga me. I tell the eye they call bloggers when they saga me. And you can't give me the abe. Walk your talk boy. Because I have stayed for so long. I never ever come to show them when they come cry say, Ukwa abandon no more me. Why de o? A dapa, a bad dapa. Have I ever come? To the extent Ukwa useless he said, oh, where the other they pay my picking. 2022, when this matter arise for inside house. Or he said the money where they pay my picking, maybe they bring come from inside. You still make they bring my picking child benefit for you. You go in me cocoa no more no ya university. You still make they bring her come for you. No devil war. Useless man. A pretty pressy where they we not there. Not be your juju a boy no you they do. Not be make your pretty press for at on the boy man. I can la pretty press ya sama me yo. When I sama me say sama ya next you yes say sama a boss say ah o say ara mu code okay. What is your problem? What is your problem? Ikpo mo sa no ya say mutan. All the juju where you do all the body ehua. I will say will not travel. I don't take some ya we bodane. U gi de ona mi accident in the slope. Wa no te murona waga. Ba mo sa ogwe. No we go we bodane. Oma like they say you can sit down and say why be say all the thing when you do against this girl no one they walk. You say man don't let her make she just go. Is it not hard time for you to sit down and have a reflection? Since 2015 okay we boni who. Ni who? Ijeme the stroke is why the stroke be no who. Mama who? The stroke marry. Is it not hard time for you to now sit down? Ave who I need no what you walk by all those bo. May you pack them, may you go through away. Do you know the reason why you are not backward among all your friends who not gonna do yahoo? You know the reason maybe so mother be in your power. You have evil mind. Or tell me then or Canada, don't forget our brother anyway for Nigeria. Ya we do we topic on it. When you have one una you go you one una we cantation yo. E maga borrow go Ukwa. You can not even go. Oh yeah, we boy you need ATP. I'm going to do that one as part 6. With proof. Down level. Now when you have what you have in, now when you have ya, you don't even ya la we be dokpa. Very soon.
So, because again, most have money 6 months.
Ukwa, agame uogele 7 aye. If Ukwa use English talker, Ukwa, but once another say mota. If na true, say now you break up with me, so I'll go mama na mama TV. Now you tell me say I don't want you again. A marriage for titi or phone. I wear ma yeke where my boy after any 8 years. Oh, we may know so where they. I got me women never violate you know so way. No, if mama you fan. Also, when Ukwa etama where I don't need you again. Ukwa. Oh, me azo we popo. Evi afe no mwetinya inya afi yeke gbo. We de gbe ito. We edu we ogbane. O sike we na e mo gbo e. U bega be bonus we ni emanji o yan gbo e. U go see me aye. Relationship routine, I greet you. You say now you leave me, Ukwa. That's why I lay course put now for live video. Now me leave you for inside this man. I say I don't want you again. You not a moment of depression. Enough your money moto. Imagine this sign yaru moto. I'm blasting out the moto. And I may want to give up your mobile. On I go na. You not a moment of depression. Or mona lock you moto for more than 30 minutes. I might take be moto before ambulance come. Ikpe once no via say mota wo si me aye abi mo su we aye. When you there, you and Messi go dey go kia. I go one bath, I go leave J boy for baby cut. The pikin go cry. This boy go there, this useless Ukwa go there for fun. He no go touch the pikin. Oh, where is one amu ene? On a gag bag no more no biye. But once I know via say mota. Uwu ga ro wa me twist my agwe gbe, but una re that ni le. When we come from Nigeria, where grocery your women, I am where grocery. The chair where they claim say you buy. So when we come back with my former chair peel, we go for chair store. I bought this chair $3,500. I use credit card to pay $3,000. You added $500 only with that guy. Then I got mato tie on ugbe. You not sleep for the chair. You not sit down for the chair. Where my women when that guy, you not fuck him on top of the chair. When you they capitalize on today, now say, I can't buy chair. And my wife, man, only with daughter, me, we are a chair, not there. Ha, even no get wait, but we worry on Bungbe. What did they make your man do? Why bat me too plenty? Well, why if you $500 of 2021, no bag? I'll be 2022. $500 when you add 3,000 when me swipe. Anyway, why you soji and I chair when you buy for your picky $80 I chair wa bell. Go normal sell a jano man. When you go to wear at McDonald's every Saturday and Sunday. You know how much? You say you call they give me money, but once I know you sell motor. Where do you make you call they give me that money? Where do you make you that one another topic for another day? Eri na the $5,000. They were $5,000. Just happy. Make a way they look you big. We you not big go. Egba when I compare account to one, egba we may go so. Make a way they look you say, I tell you not big. Where big you may not go munu where in Nigeria inverter who met it inverter. I gave you $250,000 to repair your inverter. Where big in that $100 no? In that the 100, in that the 100,000. The very first day we saw face to face, we not beg over. Ina mu anyo na gani si na mu ba mu gwe enu gbe wagbon ewi Ukwa wan make you dey look and say na oduga emi lo pa gire ba past glory me no rema na me face okuwa 100 times a property mo gborion every time ya game ajo go monitor na with the duplex 4 bedroom we man name we a 4 bedroom duplex na I take do one. Only the roofing of that, only the roofing was over 9 million of that duplex. Only the roofing. Yeah, sure. Who they called on no number was over 9 million. Apart from Owanu Wejena Virena Ukwa, which other house you get? Or work back with your men were giving an because we can yane. I also can't do topic about Emeka. Your manager, no we can say and then they be and do wajajo. No nike we manager le lower to 2003, 2002. Ovie dem anyo bawa. When you ya both dajiva, you have a dota money. Useless man. Make I continue. May I play the record finish. But mosa, even in respect, una de gbe the like court 2022. Una de gbe ya with marriage for the second time. But mosa, even una ya with marriage. This marriage was 2022. 2022. Even you just see one money you say I don't get character. It is CNN. But you use me do marriage 2 times. But woman we born for you we born for children for you. You never use that do court marriage or church marriage or akia marriage or ade marriage or igbefe marriage or we marriage rockba. But me we no good. Me agree yo with ma. Me be like ma. I agree. I not good though, but you use me do marriage twice. We marriage in Bava. And I'm not good. I wish I call good uko. Isiene itoge problem hero. Date ye de isiene ye de itoge ivo. That means my wow marriage every year. Even the first one you ready shall I reception with what one? Anna one now, take call us along Saple Road. Date me, you want money, you Ukwa. You want me. But you know, you can't fail to tell you, we say, again, now, baby mama, you want marry, your work money, we cut marriage all my life. Or rather, ube could not be 18 years in the UK. Even though we would done, you know what time, man. Every say every time, yaga, I'm on the you know, here. Maybe pan over. Or your mock back here, yaga, who are ya compare? Who but most another same time, who devil war. You not tell me for yourself February, say I know if you born for any other man if I not come back to you. I don't born for this sound. It's shock. It's shock. Don't worry, person they take off my baby. Don't worry about that. She's even sleeping. That be your pain. I want to see bone. You know what? You see my baby. Me self, I demand say God is picking too fine. What did I deserve to give me this fine picking? If you don't look my picking, you don't see Papa. Fuck bell. Mona, listen. I go check something.
I mean, throughout that time, you know, you had a big concern. You were up in social media.
Ukwa, shut up. You say when me and you tell reconcile, come on for social media. When me and you come back, when you they send your wife, Mercy, make on they beg me for Isno to come back to you 2019. I don't be blogger. Why are you lying? Your lie is so glaring. I started doing Mama and Mama TV. What? Ah, man. In short. Hello. Hello. Man. All right. I want to round up. Tomorrow, part 2, same time. Okay? Tomorrow, part 2, same time. I want to round up. Ukwa, our saga go long, go. Our saga go long. This was when J-Boy was a year plus. After, that was 2022. See, 2022. Ube Ukwa with a long hair. This one I say your office. Ukwa pretty press. When it does it as my pikin did 6 months when Sian reach. Sian, this was a year plus. J-Boy was a year plus. Wanna wait. This one, now February. Blisha. Sian, February last year. Front of your office. Front of your office, February last year. Just barely 1 year. When I go Nigeria with my son. He went, she said, I'm in Nigeria, man, I'm where I just come Nigeria with my pikin, Papa, they are not gonna go give her with the good heart wey God give me. What do you they beat me for that good heart wey God give me? I don't know if he change her. Or I know best say tolerating. And God gave me good heart. Ukwa, now 6 months pikin be this. J-Boy was 3 years and 2 months here. Because na December pikin J-Boy. 3 years and 2 months. But we 6 months. Or when we say no devil war. This was the marriage where we do for Ikoyi. 2010. Where we gather do see her. You see as he head be that time. You see as myself be that time. You dey see her. 2010 marriage when I do. But a man got where single mother. You know they come and contact and say, hey girl, I see what marry hey. See her. 2010 marriage. But mosa, wa hiya mogun. Ogun son, ogun neren, ogun gbo, e ya hiya gbo e. E proof ni me ne about to we. See ya. 2022 marriage we will come do again. See ya. That money we dey go court, we want go sign for registry. You dey see ya? Hey we. You say I be a Ukwa girlfriend. I was a Ukwa girlfriend. Igbaiva or ya me we court marriage. Igbaiva or you me we court marriage. Well, see ya. It's a pity. I have a lot of proof. that I'm going to be bringing out. This now when I carry J-Boy go as when J-Boy was 4 months. Una they see when J-Boy was 4 months. Idiot Ukwa na ka ikpa yo wane after my breakup. T-shirt na kweke we. Ona flinge, ona fiefwa. After my breakup ina kie who walking the elevator. Mo ya do pay airport, one way do mo ya airport. Ina kie who na we your because me you know dey your pikin t-shirt. Ona fie ojima ho. And I said the audio. Okay, like moto na va audio gena gele never na. Ina we woman na recognize your money be no asomo. Who dey gbe yin yo power. But what did they happen today now? Yes, now. Every time you gonna use me they do court marriage. Now my toto they put that they do court marriage. Like whoa. But woman we born for you. When my yeah we cut okay because she's senior you. That one a topic of another day. When we are muja zen, when we are the other buana muje mesia zen, ya do te ya ata iga mo bogbe yo. Then we are boy. You know ya me a freezer. Ukwa, you too useless, sha. As I just be avoid you since then, you for just leave me. I wish you know, you for not call away. You for just leave me. Then you will avoid you way. You should have just said my beg again. I will not ban. But because of a big ballon, I'll come tell now as Ukwa sees my stuff for Akion Barris. Yeah. I was having a boutique, we got Akin Bata. A man I care shippy Bata, you were. My way man I break 2015. On a hule guessing, on a view. Again, in not big bear, my girlfriend, okay? On a via Bata, and then only I think by Bania Filokwa. I will come and do that topic, and I will show you people all the proof. But once I know that same time, I will leave here. I will leave this last word here. When we come back 2019, if not be you, 2018 December, if I'm not 2018 December, sorry to say, if not be you, tell your wife, Mercy or Bamedo, make it come they beg me to come back to you. Every course when I course may come back to me. But if now your wife, Mercy or Bamedo, your so-called wife, where they Canada now with me for a year now. Now come they beg me to the extent, why you bana? Eshema, waro we rasi umare, I went one day na settle matana once and for all. If not be waiting happen, may your head worry me. But if not so it happen, what do I any come back? Mena ni mo adagmona, or can see where could talk but most another same time. See you all tomorrow for part 2. Ask Ukwa send me a wife naked picture. That will be part 2, and I'm going to be flashing the picture. I know say a wife, you know, offend me. I might not show the picture, but as the spirit lead, no do who we mercy, no do we man where you born 4 children for. If he can send your nude picture, that I never born for and when he send out to me, I think that was 2014. Yes, when Kisley, where they London, make I refresh your memory. Kisley, where they for London, when he come to picky party for his Wesley Hotel. Una one, Jonas one yanwe, we so one yanwe. Or ya snappy, West End go in. I don't know about her, and I big bad the girl, I don't know about it. I don't want to talk about that. But now me, they can't drag put.